How are we doing, traders? I hope all is well. I have a good one for you today. Today, we are diving into the world of divergences. Specifically, we are going to explore divergences between different assets. If you look at my chart here, we can see how the price of both of these assets seems to trend in the same direction. But every so often, one will go in another direction than the other. This presents us with a great opportunity as it acts as an early indication of a change in sentiment. Quite a powerful technique that not many know how to truly capitalize on, but today I will be providing you with an indicator that makes this easy for you. So let's get started. The method we are discussing is called SMT Divergences, and the indicator we will be using is also called SMT Divergences. It's a free indicator by LuxAlgo. Go ahead and clear your chart of any other indicators and click on the Indicators tab and search for SMT Divergences. And there you have it, provided by our friends over at LuxAlgo. SMT stands for Swing Marked Trend. It is a concept that has always been around, maybe under a different name, but was popularized by the rather influential trader named ICT. These swing points here on the chart act as significant markers, indicating potential trend reversals or shifts in market dynamics. When one of these labels appears on the chart, what it means is that the other ticker you've inputted in the settings is trending in another direction than the main ticker. Speaking of the settings, let's go ahead and review what options we have available. So we click this gear icon here. There we go. Let's move it over to the side. So we have the pivot look back, which is on 3 by default. We have seen a similar setting on other indicators before on this channel. You can think of this option as a way to control how long the indicator waits before confirming a divergence. As you can see here, we have 2 tickers on the chart. And if I use the replay feature on TradingView, we can see that it waits 3 candles before it prints the label. We can reduce it to 2 if we like, which would cause us to get earlier detections. For this script, waiting 3 candles helps to prevent false signals from appearing on the chart. Right below that, we have the tickers that are being used to detect divergences. If you like, you can disable one and use only the other. So if I do that, and let's say I change the chart symbols, now we are just looking for divergences between the chart I am viewing and the one I have in settings. A good tip for choosing what symbol to compare is to find a symbol that is typically positively correlated with the other, or to use a ticker that is usually leading in nature, such as an index of the asset. So if you are looking at the euro-dollar, you might want to compare it to the dollar index. Next, we have typical styling options for those who would like to add some personalization to the indicator. And finally, we have the dashboard. If enabled, the dashboard highlights the number of SMT divergences that occurred on a swing high and swing low between the chart ticker and the selected external tickers. The return percentage indicates the proportion of swing highs or swing lows that led to an SMT divergence. So one of the ways that you can practically use this tool is by studying these swing points, which represent crucial price levels where the market experiences notable shifts. By analyzing these swing points, we can gain insights into the market's behavior and identify potential trading opportunities. If there are typically divergences occurring in this region, it is only right that we expect the price to react from these levels. So we can mark this level of interest and wait for a reaction. So to wrap things up, the SMT Divergences indicator empowers you to apply the powerful concept of SMT in your trading analysis. By identifying swing points that occur at the same time and diverge between your chart symbol and external tickers, you can gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and potential trend reversals. LuxAlgo continues to surprise us with these releases. And for those who are new here, there is a link available in the description of this video that will bring you to LuxAlgo, where you can try one of the most popular indicators on TradingView risk-free for 30 days. That indicator suite happens to also offer an indicator that provides divergences in real time and is far more accurate. Thanks for joining us in this video. I hope you found the concept of SMT and the SMT Divergences indicator intriguing and valuable for your trading journey. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you again very soon.